Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to reshape facial features in CapCut PC. Let's use this video of a person as an example. To start, drag the video to the timeline. Go to the right side and click on Video Retouch. Scroll down to find Auto Reshape and click on Show. Now, adjust the various settings as needed by sliding them. And that's it. You've successfully reshaped a face manually in CapCut. Drag the original video back to the timeline to see the comparison. That's all for now. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.